Hello my friends, in this video we will learn that how to write a letter to your friend, inviting him on your birthday party. So without any further delay, let's get started. RZH01 Rajnagar Part 2, Delhi 110077, June 1st 2020. Dear Mohan, I am good in my health and hope the same for you. You will be glad to know that my birthday falls on 10th June and this time I am planning to celebrate it at home. There will be a DJ party at 6:30 pm. I have invited almost all friends whom you know very well. So please consider this letter as an invitation. I hope you will also come and join my birthday party. Convey my regard to uncle and auntie. Yours truly, Pankaj. Thank you.